Hello YouTube, Dion from AdjustableTriangular with the unboxing of this quite peculiar product. As you can see, we have this triangular box that houses the triangular product we will unbox. This is the adjustable monitor stand by Gembird that also comes with some adjustable feet for the height, and it can hold a 20 kg monitor on top of it. Now, due to its shape, that might be ideal for placing a monitor at the corner of your desk, but apart from that, we can just open this box and check closely this product and see what it is all about. But first, let's have a look at the specification of this product. It's on the rear side here. We can see it in various languages here. A description of the product. We can check all the specification down here. This seems to be a really value for money product, since this seems to be made of metal, but we'll check it closely once we open the box. Now, the shape of it might be not for everyone and not for every type of monitor, but you will be the one to decide that given your setup. So let's peel this. I mean, it's quite easy to peel them, so you don't need a knife. I'll take that back. Okay, it's easy to peel them, but I did a mistake here. I should have just tried to remove it, not cut it here. So I need to be more careful there, but we'll make it happen eventually. There it is. So let's open the box and check what the stand is all about. Okay, and here it seems that we have an instruction manual of how to install it. Actually, how to install the feet. This seems really nice. You can have a compartment underneath to organize your desktop stuff or place a keyboard. That is really nice. And given that the feet are adjustable, that gives you a lot of options for the things you can place underneath. So let's check it closely. Here we have the metallic feet that seems to be adjustable, and we have to place to this triangular part. So let us unwrap this part here and check closely. That is the main part of the monitor stand. You can see some type of a grid. Now, that is not really heavy, but I can still appreciate the fact that this is metallic. I won't lie, this seems really sturdy to me. And apart from its shape, I guess you can find some useful placement on your desk. So let's place the feet. Okay, we just have 3 of them. These are also metallic. And check the height adjustment. And here we can see they have 3 different height options. You can press accordingly and place them on the triangular part and have your desired height that corresponds to your desk setup. As you can see, the installation is quite simple. You just have to screw them into place. That is indeed toolless. Okay, that just came out. But once they are screwed into place, they cannot leave. This might be the greatest feature compared to other stands. They seem sleek and really well made, and the whole build feels kind of sturdy. I wouldn't dare to overload it with a monitor that is overweight, higher than one is recommended. And here we have them all into place and installed properly. Each foot has a rubberized surface on the bottom. That is to avoid any scratches on your desk. Just make sure that they are properly installed and at the same height in order to have a leveled surface for your monitor. The metal feels of a really good quality, not the greatest, not the heaviest, but it gets the job done. I guess that the center of it might be the one to be prone to bend. So again, I don't recommend anything that is heavier than 20 kg of weight to be placed on it. So this was the unboxing of the triangular adjustable monitor stand by Gembird. Give us a like, subscribe, and as always from AdjustableTriangular, thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the next one. Peace!